Escalope veal caponata. It's delicious, it's very lean, it's good for you, and it's a great alternative to beef. Now, caponata. Basically, it's like a ratatouille, but without all the tomato puree, so you can identify exactly what's in it.
Chop, peppers, celery, onions, aubergines.
Now, it's really important to have something like an aubergine inside a caponata. It gives it that sort of bitter-sweet flavour.
Hot pan, olive oil. Season.
Red wine vinegar, and that sort of wakes everything up.
Tomato, basil, olives, capers.
Lovely, smells amazing. Out, onto a plate, and that stops it from overcooking and turning mush. Wow. Escalope veal. Now, we're going to pane it. Basically, that means flour, egg wash, and breadcrumb. 3 very simple stages. A couple of tablespoons of flour.
Eggs, breadcrumbs, parmesan.
But these, we'll take it to a different dimension. A nice, heavy coating of breadcrumbs and parmesan cheese prevents the veal from drying out. And now, she's ready for the pan. Olive oil just starts to smoke. In she goes. I love that sound. If it goes into a cold pan with olive oil, you've got the escalope greasy. We only turn it once. It can rip or tear quite easily. Check the colour. Wow. Now, this is where it gets really exciting.
Pine nuts, capers, butter.
And that helps to toast the pine nuts, fry off the capers, and really give the most amazing flavour. Lovely.
Basil.
And just the heat out of the butter will start to cook the basil. Caponata, be generous with it. Wow. And then with the veal, up and on. Summer's here.
Veal escalope with caponata. Done.